Yo, what's going on, boys? Back with another recap, or not recap. Actually, today I'm gonna be doing a backtesting video. I'm bored right now, so I'm just gonna be doing 2025 February, seeing what win rate I have, trying to pass the 50K count. We got 4X Factory linked up for the days that I'm gonna trade, and a new FX replay thing. I don't have the membership version of this, so I don't know if it'll kick me out at some point. See what happens, but what time is it right now? I think I skipped. Okay, this is New York time, so this is starting Tuesday. I don't know if there's an easier way to do this besides skipping times like this, but alright. 9:29. So I'm just gonna be, back testing. Got some jazz music in the background, so I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, let's get into this. So I don't know what this candle is. It's a little interesting. We have this unfilled hourly up here. He obviously made this internal high. We have, some of these lows down here. What's ES looking like? Similar. I don't know what was going on this day. Tuesday, 10 a.m. red folder. So be looking for that. I'm leaning more bullish right now, depending on how this 30-minute closes. Okay, so we didn't inverse it yet. So I'm gonna say I'm pretty bullish right now, especially we have this hourly inversion here. I'm looking, if I was to take longs, I'd probably just target this unfilled hourly up here. I hope the music's not too loud, 'cause I can't tell if it is or not. I feel like if I wanted to take long, I'd have to see this 5-minute inverse or an internal low get swept. Pretty sure go to the higher time frame. No, you can probably mark it from here. Low-key edging the key right now, so okay. Let's see, did ES take out the slow? 655 low. No, it did not. It took out this pre-market low, 858. Both, they took them out. 922 low, 922. Both are taken out. I don't know if I would take this or not. We do have a 5-minute CISD. So we got a turtle soup at open. Only thing is there's no SMT, but there isn't an unfilled gap below, so that's why I would be leaning to take this. But we did just fill this 15-minute. I didn't see that. We'll see how this 15-minute gap rejects, and if it rejects bearish, then we'll probably be bearish. Yeah, it's not looking like we're gonna get an entry, but that would have been a good long. Probably could have entered right here off this candle. Caught it just to the gap, but I missed that. Now, most likely be looking for some shorts as we just tapped the hourly gap that I wanted to see. We do have one up here too. Shorts just to rebalance to somewhere. I mean, we have this unfilled 5, but this 5 is gonna close in 4 minutes. 2105, 2105. So we have a big bearish SMT as well within this hourly gap. What would I have to see here? I don't know. Have to see us start breaking down, which doesn't look like we're gonna. Alright, well now we left this unfilled 5 as well, so this could be a good break-even spot. Yes, made equal highs at the highs, so technically it's an SMT, but we get a resweep. We'll see. Might just shoot up. Yeah. Alright, so no trade day. First day, no trade. What time is it now? 2, 3. Oh fuck, I accidentally skipped 10 a.m. Doesn't matter. So Wednesday, 10 a.m. red folder once again. Let's see. Yeah, definitely still bullish. Probably gonna go for previous day high up here as my draw. Just so weird that we don't have any gaps to fill. When we inverse this 4 hour at 10 a.m., find some sort of trade off of it, and we get this 3-minute inversion down here. So I'd say if we get some retracement, we could probably take a long off this. We do have an SMT as well. 9 a.m. low gets taken. 9:30 low didn't even get taken here. ES took the 9:32 low. So we have an SMT. We reswept the high, tapping into this 3 minutes. About to inverse now, unless we do that. Damn, what the fuck? Alright, well, this is the 9:30 low resweep. Is that 10 a.m. news? Yeah, alright, so no, it wasn't. That's weird. Alright, well, I guess we take this low. ES dumps even more. We still have SMT though. Yeah, I could probably take this off this 1 minute inversion, but it's not looking too good. I mean, could do something like this, but if you really wanted to enter, I would say you could have taken off that, and that would be your break even where we're at now. If I was to take this right now, I'd go break even up here, probably target previous day high, or maybe, let's see, is this a 1-to-1? I'd probably go for a 1-to-1 here, maybe even this high. So, alright, we'll try this, risking $500 per trade. Probably go break even once we retake this high up here. Alright, going to break even. Are we dead ass? Alright, there you go. So TP gets hit. Very choppy, but I mean, it got hit. So in this case, I really wouldn't go for a high risk reward play, targeting 120 points, just because first off, this is very choppy price action. Doesn't look like we're going to be, expanding that much. Probably, I mean, honestly, let's skip. Okay, so it would have hit, but would have got to stop break even first. So 1-to-1 is the play here. Lunch macro ends up taking us all the way to these highs. So good first trade. Let's skip to tomorrow. One more 4 hour candle. And then we'll do 1, 2, 3. Alright. Let's check the 4 hour time frame. Nice. So we have this gap that we're rejecting off of. Honestly, could tap into this one as well. This 4 hour below. Pretty far extended, honestly. We have these highs to target. I'm still leaning more bullish, just odds that we get up there is pretty low. Inverse this hourly, which is good, but we are also in that bearish hourly. I don't know, we'll have to see what the market wants to do here. Could potentially move lower to take out this pre-market low, tap this 4 hour gap, and then see it move higher, but we'll see. Right now, feeling this 4 hour once again, sweeping out this 844 low, in which we have an SMT on. Let me check something. What about EQ? Okay, so we're into discount price. So we're in equilibrium. We have an SMT at the lows. If we get a 1 minute inversion, I wouldn't be opposed to taking this. Filled that 15 minute again and this 30 minute. No hourly. Yeah, I'd probably take it just to this high up here. We'd have to get very strong bullish closure out of this. It's not it yet. Alright. Alright, I'll be in here. Stop below this low. I'll just target up here. It's high. And I'll probably go break even once we take out this internal high. Unless there's like a 15 minute, I can go break even at, or 30 minute. Where isn't it? Let's test this out. Damn, what the fuck? Alright, well, be break even. Probably take off 50% here. And we get edge to full TP, but it's That's why you take partials. Not bad. Why did this target get edged? I mean, we had this hot too, but honestly, it's probably still gonna get hit. Just not now, maybe. That would have sucked. Yeah, I mean, that would have really sucked. I probably would have shot myself if this was real life. But on to the next day. Let's go. So far, doing pretty good on the account. 1, 2, 3. This is just a test that I'm not shit at trading anymore because I haven't took a win, or I've taken 1 win in the last 2 weeks. So yeah, just testing out my trading sense and my model ish. Trying to go for 1-to-1s as well as step kind of away from high risk reward plays unless it's like a guaranteed ish. Like if I'm really confident the target's gonna get hit, like I'm really confident this is getting hit today, maybe even potentially this high. But like if it was something like that, then yeah, I'd probably take high risk reward. But this price action looks like dog shit. CPI this day. What day is this? Friday. Interesting. We had a bunch of news today. Yeah, I mean, it's probably just gonna rip up. Maybe if we take this high, we can get some sort of retracement back down to this unfilled 5. Take a long off that. The gap, yeah, gap gets made. Chop ink. Fat ass candle down. What's ES doing? ES is still moving a little higher. So we do have an SMT right now. What the fuck? Oh, that just shit on my longs. I mean, we do have all these lows down here in this 4-hour imbalance that hasn't gotten filled yet, and we just took a prominent high, so we might want to retrace back down to this. If we get a good model out of this, I wouldn't be opposed to taking shorts, buys, flips. Why? This is why. I don't think we'll get any retracement out of this though. 5-minute gaps made here. What's ES doing? Yeah, okay. It's probably gonna be a no trade day. What time is it? 10:15 still. Edge the 4-hour gap, man. Okay, so now we have this unfilled 15. If we can get something like this where we come up, we could probably take a short to that 4-hour. Resweep this high, take out this high. Yeah, I would definitely take this right now, honestly. SMT as well. This is A+. This is an A+ trade. Let's do we have a 3-minute. Okay, we have that 3-minute right here, which is very small, so we probably have to wait for this to get closed below. And then, obviously, I can't go on the 2-minute time frame, or else I would. So we'll just wait 2 more minutes. 3 minutes didn't inverse yet. Alright, yeah, I'm taking this, John. I would have entered right here when it tapped back into it, but FX replay doesn't allow me to do that. So we'll just go for like. Probably stop above the gap, 1-to-7 risk reward. Interesting. This is still for sure hitting. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think this is still gonna hit. I mean, yeah, that's interesting. Okay, on to the next day. It's pretty interesting. Don't know what happened that day, but that would have sucked if that was real life. So just took a loss. Crazy. Alright. So this is a new week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. So this is a new week. Got the new week opening gap. Not gonna lie to you guys, no idea what that is. I honestly don't know how to market I never use that as a confluence. I don't know if it's valid or not. I just don't use it. It's just my opinion. If we inverse this 4 hour, I'd definitely be bullish. I'd probably want us to tap this gap down here, which honestly I think is the new week. I don't know what it is, but it's a gap of some sort. It's not even in the market because I don't know what it is. You guys might call me an idiot, but that has no idea what that is. We got a bunch of unfilled 15 minutes down here. It's probably a 30 minute within this. Yeah, I'm definitely bullish. Could see these lows getting taken out. Maybe even, I don't know what happens, but all right. Maybe even coming to discount with this leg. I don't know what the fuck this is. What is this? This is our new week open gap. This gap right here. I'm gonna say yeah. So this is the high of it. This is the low. So this is our new week open gap. Maybe potentially see this get filled. Probably not today, but we'll see what happens. We got this 5 minute gap up here, so I'd have to see this get inversed in order to take some longs. These highs, and then that up there. And I guess yeah, that's an unfilled 5, so I'd say we get a resweep, yeah, with this low open potential SMT. Yeah, yes, it's gonna dump, take out these pre-market lows. Holy smokes. Alright, big SMT at this low that I wanted one of them to get taken out. Either NASDAQ or ES, doesn't matter. It's in this 5 minutes can get inversed right now. If we can get, I'll wait for this 3 minutes to form, most likely, which it did not. I would not take this because I needed to see some sort of gap held or hold. Honestly, I may have taken this if this was real life. Maybe. No room for re-entry. It's 4 hours in an inverse though, so you can probably look for another long later. It's not gonna let me go on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so we got retracing. Damn, what the fuck's in my eye, bro? I didn't do the verse of the day. Verse of the day. I am the bread of life. He who comes to me will never go hungry. Fire verse. Alright. Probably gonna retake out this low. Maybe not. Interesting. That makes sense. This makes sense. Alright, no trade day. Fuck this day. I'm not doing this. Let's go to the next day. Alright. Bro, let me go to the 4 hour time frame. So stupid. There's some shit in my eyes. Alright. Well, now I'm leaning more bearish. We inverse this 4 hour in the overnight session. We have this unfilled 4 hour up here. And we did fill the new week opening gap, though. I don't know if this, bro, I'm not marking this shit because I actually have no idea what it is. I'll say we have this hourly gap down here. That's what I'll say. Maybe if we can potentially get something like this, I can take a short. Okay, so we do get something like that. What's ES doing? I really only check ES for SMTs, and if I'm about to enter, I use it for more confluencing what it's doing and what NQ is not doing. In this case, ES didn't pump as much as NQ did until now. NQ took out all these freaking highs. Holy smokes. Alright, so we tapped this 4 hour up here, which, wait, tap it. Gotta get a resweep for this to tap. There you go. So we get this tap in. I would say try to get something off of it to this unfilled 15 minute, but the odds of that are pretty low. Well, they're not low. Okay, interesting. Not taking anything this day, probably. Okay. Okay, I'm confused now. I guess it's starting to move lower. We have an internal SMT. I'm not even gonna deal with that. Okay, I accidentally skipped the 10 a.m., but it's fine. Wow, so we really dumped. Holy smokes. We're about to make this hourly gap appear at 10 a.m. Damn, it's a voice crack. Alright, we got this hourly. If we could retrace in. Never mind. Could find a long to it, honestly. I'm bullish. Oh, short time bullish just to that hourly gap. But it looks like we might chase this low down here. Whatever this low is. Sunday open gap low. I didn't create my own time frame, bro. Yeah, I don't know, man. Okay. Damn, last February price action was balls too. Bro, like, what do I look for here? I'm so confused. The fuck is this? Oh. Okay. Damn, bro. It's ridiculous. Oh, now we have this 15-minute gap here. Man, I honestly have no idea what to look for, guys. If I was to short this, I would have to see a 15-minute inversion, but it's already so late in the day that I'm not taking anything. Yeah, I don't know. This price is dog shit. Okay. What's for news this day? I don't know why I fucking opened Roblox. Okay, so we're not doing that again. So I don't know what the news is for today. I don't know if this works. Yeah. You got this high. I'm bullish. Looks pretty bullish. So best case scenario, come at open, tap this 15, sweep the internal lows that we've created, all this low resistance here. I mean, I get it. Yeah, I get it. It's fire. Interesting. It's very odd, isn't it? Okay. Like, inversion long. I would have to see this 3-minute inverse fucking to long this, bro. If there was an SMT, I would have taken this 1 minute, but there wasn't, so yeah, man. Okay. If we fill this gap, we'll probably be in long here. Fuck, dude. Are we dead ass? Like, I'm so confused. What, this? Is this what I do, guys? 27 point long. I mean, it would have hit, but I'm not fucking taking that ever. Never in my life am I taking that trade, bro. What time is it? I'd definitely look for shorts here. Yeah, fat SMT. If we have any unfilled gaps, that's what I'd be looking to target. I'd look for this 5-minute inverse and target all this low resistance that we built up. Wow, this might have been the worst week ever to trade, huh? I picked a shitty month, didn't I? It's probably just me, right? Yeah, no, it's definitely just me. Okay, well, we're edging all-time highs now. So, tap this unfilled. I'm bullish. I mean, potentially could see this come down to here. We have this hourly inverse in 30 minutes. But probably gonna get a nice 15-minute time frame. What is this gap, bro? Tapping this hourly inversion now. Interesting, we're shooting up. Okay. It's looking like some amazing price action on this beautiful Friday. It's already 9:50. 10 a.m. dumps. If we get this 1-minute inversion, I'll be in long here. I'm long. I would wait for retracement, but FX replay blows for that shit, so. I'll break even. Yeah, I would have definitely entered off this candle's retracement in real life. So I would have had better stop loss and risk reward, but there you go. Wow, first banger. Finally made some fucking money. All right, we're up 1,100 on the account. That's a really clean setup. Why am I saying this? Didn't even realize this, but there was this 5-minute gap here. We had a clean recovery after taking this high to fill this 5-minute gap. After we fill it with this pretty nice wick for 10 a.m. We fill the gap and then we get a 1-minute inversion, just targeting this high. Nice low risk reward, but you know it works, bro. Take your profits and leave. You know what I mean? All right, let's go to next week. Why am I skipping 1 minute? Oh my gosh, bro! I keep accidentally skipping to 10 a.m. Alright, so we swept all-time highs, we made new all-time highs. I'm automatically bullish, but probably want to see some retracing as we are dumping. Filled the new week opening gap, pretty sure. It's 4 hour, unless I'm stupid. We have a lot of dumpage here. I think this 15 minutes got created right now, so potentially could find a short off this 15-minute gap, retracement to this down here. See what we get. Alright, so we tap the 15. It's looking very choppy right now, man. I don't know what inversion I could look for. Wow. Yep. No trade day. I would have hopped off. I would have got sick of that shit. I'm trying to be as realistic as I can here. Alright. Okay, so we're still at all-time highs. We actually made new all-time highs the other day, so still got these draws down here. I'm gonna say we're tapping a gap. Could find a long back to all-time highs. We're in equilibrium with the range too. Probably gonna take out this low, tap this hourly. Yeah. OSMT, yeah, but this looks like a lot of low resistance liquidity on both assets. See, like, to take this, I don't even know what I would do to take a long here, but probably I could see shorts off this 5-minute retracement, which I'm not gonna get, but I could definitely see shorts off that, targeting, you know, these lows down here. But yes is about to take both of them out, so we'll see if anything happens after yes takes them out. Okay, so yes takes them out, and Q takes them out as well. Might just dump. We're about to make this 15-minute gap here, which we make. I can see long soon. If they're taking this low, tapping the 4-hour gap. I'll look for an inversion here. Probably gonna make a 3-minute though. Just the only issue. As long as we don't make a 5-minute, we're good. We'll take this up this 3-minute inversion. So higher time frame, we filled this 4-hour gap, which is what I wanted to see. We're in EQ of this range. If you draw it out from this low to this low, we're just looking for a slight retracement back to this 15-minute unfilled up here. So it would be a small trade, but it's a pretty high probability. I need to check for SMT. Probably no SMT. I'm just gonna say. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's the inverse. One more minute. Alright, so we get the inversion. Entry would be here, stop would be here. Stop would be at least a 1-to-1. Oh, and we're about to make this 15-minute as well. I don't know. This is a weird trade. I'd probably take it off once this gap gets tapped. Yeah. Let's see if the next candle shoots up, which didn't want to take it. Damn, bro, that's a great fade. We tapped that 15-minute. I mean, we're probably just gonna go lower now. Yeah, for sure. Wow, that's a good fade. So I didn't take that just because I wanted to wait to see if this gap would hold or not, and it didn't. And we also tapped that 15-minute, so faded that shit. That's what I like to see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So same thing. Probably bullish, but could see those lows get met. We're in this hourly gap, bullish and bearish. We were in this 15-minute bearish, so could see this 5-minute inverse here. Most likely take out these pre-market highs and then dump. I could see that happening. I mean, all these highs are draws, so we'll see. Okay, or we get a re-steep of this low. Okay, we have an internal SMT right now. These lows here. I was gonna say I could long that, but now that the high's been taken, if we get this 15-minute inversion, then I'd definitely long. Not this one. This one right here. So let me just mark this out. Yeah, I'm gonna wait probably 6 more minutes till we get it, which we don't, which is probably gonna be a buy switch for me. Probably be short now. I mean, that's a clean sweep at this high, and we didn't get the inversion. I think if we were bullish, we probably would have closed up there, got the inversion, and we did not. So I'd look for shorts now. Didn't want to skip 5 minutes. I was gonna say if we come into here, I'd probably short that, but now that we just took this low, I'm very mixed right now. Then you see, let's see. All right, let's be real, man. I'm not trading this shit, bro. Time highs is the worst. What time high? Alright, 9:30 open. So if my 4-hour time frame doesn't want to work for some reason, it's cool. Got this high. I would want it to see this happen, get a resweep of the slow, and then continue higher. I just don't like how we have these freaking stacked lows down here, man. This just looks like such a clean draw to just go and take out. Be sick if it lets me use the 4-hour time frame. Hope you guys mess with this jazz music, so I mess with it. Alright, yeah, so if we get this 4-hour inversion at 10, then I'd probably switch bias, but if we just start dumping, then I definitely want to take shorts off this 5-minute inversion. Okay, wow. Okay, so we turtle soup this high, create an SMT, so that's already showing signs that we're definitely bearish. Got this internal low. Dude, that's so fucking retarded. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, we tapped this gap, so probably gonna get a retracement. In order for me to take longs here, I'd have to see this 5-minute inverse. Okay, so we're bearish. I'm just gonna say that. Gosh, what is this, bro? High. Took all those lows, so now I'm extremely bullish. Definitely would like to see some retracement though. Let's see what open does. Open just fucking dumps. Man, this shit's really annoying. Backtesting's so freaking annoying. Like I can't sit here and trade for this long, deadass. I used to do it so much, bro. I used to be addicted to the charts. I can't anymore. This shit just pisses me off. Alright, so we take this internal low. Might come into this gap down here. Have to wait for a 5-minute inversion for longs, but could honestly just reject this and then come down into this hourly down here. Let's see what happens. Interesting candle there. So I'm gonna say we're probably bearish, rejecting off of this. I mean, if we can get a retracement, I'd take it, but fucking, I didn't want to go to the 12-hour, bro. Alright, you tap this hourly gap. ES is most definitely coming for this low. This is so freaking stupid. I'm getting so angry right now. This is the gay shit in the world, actually. Alright, well, we're gonna dump to this low as well. So, let's see if we can get some retrace into this 5-minute and take a short. Nah. Unfilled 50-minute. 1-minute inversion. I'm in this. gonna get an entry. Would've gotta stop break even anyways. Trying not to geek out right now. It's just pissing me off so much. Holy smokes, bro. Alright, I'm bearish. Fuck this. I'm bearish. Alright, that's why. 4-hour gap. Rejection, dumpage. I'm bearish. 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 Nothing to take though, because we have the world's shittiest price action. Just because I'm backtesting it. 15-minute gap down here. Like, what am I even gonna title this video? Wait, I'm taking 4 trades. Is there a way to check my orders? Oh, there is. 75% win rate right now. How do I go back? 75% win rate right now. It's because I fucking haven't been trading though. Which is honestly a good thing, isn't it? Alright, 5-minute inversion long, 5-minute rejection short, 1-minute inverse short. Oh wait, I'm bearish. So yeah, short. Alright, never mind. Because, bro, like, in what fucking world are you entering off this candle? Like, in what world are you not waiting for it to at least come into this fair value gap up here? Not my world. I always wait for retracement or something like that, bro. I'm not entering at the bottom of that candle. Fuck that. With a stop loss of 43 points, bro, you're ridiculous. I already know where it went, so yeah, you don't. I need to hire this jazz music before I start flipping shits. Oh, I need some food, bro. Just so you guys know, I actually do play the piano, and I'm like not bad, but I'm self-taught, so yeah, I'm not horrible. Pretty good. I'm like alright. I don't like to toot my own horn, but I'm alright at the piano, I guess. I really like music, so I don't like, well, I like rap and shit, but I really like a lot of classical music and jazz, just overall piano music. Fuck! I didn't mean to skip 30 minutes, bro. Alright, well, we end up taking this low, just still dumping for some reason. That's insane, bro. Damn. Holy. Like, there's not a single target here, bro. What? This fucking low? This gap, like, what is the target here, man? Alright, well, this month's about to be done. When this month's done, I'm getting off. God have mercy on my soul. Bro, finally some retracing, bro. Something I could fucking work with. Alright, we have an internal. We gotta resweep this high. If we get a 1-minute inversion here, I'm probably gonna be in short. Okay. I want to take this. Do we tap anything? We tap this 5 minute. Probably go break even once this low gets taken. Just target this low, previous low down here. With a high risk reward play, but it's a 10 AM again. Alright, we'll try this. Probably do half risk. Probably do like 3. Nice. So it doesn't let me type in a 3. Interesting. How much is 1%? What about 0.9? 0.8? 1%? Like, fuck this app. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Actually, 0.656. Okay. So this is my risk reward. I mean, I like to trade. I'm just saying. I'm just a little gay. That's probably the reason. Yo, trading's definitely made someone kill himself, right? Like, for sure. I wonder if anyone that's a day trader has ever killed himself in it. I know definitely hedge fund and investment bankers have. Bro, it's so much, it's crazy. Like, they work to crazy hours, so much stress, like, insane. And that's why I'm going to college for finance. So if this shit doesn't work out, I'm probably gonna end up shooting myself, because that's what's gonna be my job. Interesting. I'm pretty confused on what's going on here, but it looks like I'm about to punch my monitor. That's what's... Oh my gosh. That's what's going on here. Probably never making any of these videos again, so just enjoy it while it lasts. If anyone's even fucking watching, that's it, actually. Unfilled hourly, I'm definitely looking for longs, but if we end up taking this high, I'll probably look for some sort of retracement short down back to this, because yeah, just because I think that's what's gonna happen. Discretion. Okay, but we do get a retracement, fat ass candle down, multiple fat candles down, just continuous fat candle. It's weird because I feel like every Thursday in February just dumps of 2025. February 2025 just dumps. So, you know, next month let's look for that. Look for shorts every fucking Thursday. I think that's the play here. It's very interesting. Don't you guys think it's interesting? I'm gonna assume this hourly gap's inverse, so I'd probably look for a long, just for some retracement to it. Where's 11? Ooh, we got a big SMT, boys. Big SMT. Give this 5 minute, but I wouldn't even wait for that to get inversed. I mean, this is just a straight discretion trade, but I missed it, so my bad. My bad, guys. I'm a dumbass. I would have entered here. I skipped too far in accident. 160 point trade? Fuck. What the shit? Probably would have passed the account. Holy smokes, man. Okay, never mind. Let's see if we get anything out of this 3 minute inversion. This would be even a better trade. V-shaped recovery, retracing back to EQ the range. Never mind. If we get a resweep, we'll be in EQ, but okay, 3 minute inverse. I'm taking this. What's good with the amount of size that's happening, but it's insane. Go break even at this high for 1 to 2 on this. Working. Nah, I'm gonna go for a 1 to 1. Fuck it. Just testing this out. 1%. I'm about to clickbait the shit out of this title. Backtesting 100% win rate model. That's what I'm gonna put if you've even made it this far in the video. Probably just gonna end it here before I end my life. So thank you guys for watching. I mean, if you want to see more shit like this, let me know, because you can just tell me how shit of a trader I am in the comments below. But I'm about to go eat some food before I end it. See you guys in the next one.